I'm Rachel, the Community and Education Manager at SmartBear. SmartBear's Bugsnag Basics course is designed for those new to Bugsnag, as well as for beginners who may have some experience and are looking to learn about new features. This complimentary 13-minute course will teach you how errors are grouped in Bugsnag and how to triage errors using the Bugsnag inbox, what different error details mean and how to incorporate them into a workflow, how to use the Bugsnag Releases dashboard to track your app's health, how to use the Stability Center to manage stability across multiple projects, how to use the Search Builder to isolate particular errors in your Bugsnag dashboard and then create a bookmark, and how to create alerts using the alerting and workflow engine by configuring search conditions. There is a quiz at the end of this course. Upon successful completion of the quiz, you will earn a certificate that will be emailed to you. If you'd like to learn more about Bugsnag, check out the Bugsnag Advanced course, which is designed around Bugsnag's robust alerting and workflow engine. For all of SmartBear's course offerings, visit the SmartBear Academy at smartbear.com/academy. Enjoy!